In the twilight of the 18th century, France stood on the brink of chaos. The air was thick with discontent as the cries for liberty and equality echoed through the cobbled streets of Paris. This was the dawn of the French Revolution, a radical upheaval that would forever alter the course of history. Among the fervent voices of change, one stands out: Maximilien Robespierre. Known as the Incorruptible, his unwavering resolve and passionate speeches ignited the revolutionary spirit. With his vision of a republic grounded in justice, he became a symbol of the fight against tyranny. As the revolution unfolded, the storming of the Bastille on July 14, 1789 marked a pivotal moment. Cannons roaring and citizens rallying, they tore down the fortress that symbolized the passion. This fierce clash ignited a movement that swept across the nation, instilling hope and fear in all measure. The revolution unleashed a wave of ideals that inspired nations worldwide, challenging the old order and promoting the values of freedom and equality. Yet the bloodshed and terror that followed left scars that would haunt France for generations, a reminder of the price of radical change. Today, the legacy of the French Revolution resonates with us. It teaches us the importance of standing against injustice and the power of collective action. In a world still grappling with inequality, the echoes of Robespierre and his fellow revolutionaries remind us that the fight for liberty is eternal.